I am Léa Moreau. I've been head of implementation for about 3 years, and my role revolves around 3 main areas. I'm involved in pre-sales and support the sales team by understanding the client's needs and challenges, and by defining the right deployment support in order for the clients to reach their goals. Then I also coordinate all deployments and make sure that we reach our target of quality and efficiency. And finally, I also continuously improve our methodology in order to maximize the value created for the clients. What motivates me in my roles is creating the condition for the clients to reach their goals and to contribute to the missions of helping manufacturers to turn their field teams into real performance levers by promoting their expertise and boosting their autonomy. We always start with a diagnostic and process mapping of each client in order to better understand the client's strengths and weaknesses concerning their processes. And this allows us to define the success criteria of each project and to define also a guidance principle for the rest of the project. The most common mistake that I see on site is to design a know-how framework without enough input from the field. This results in theoretical skill metrics that are great on paper, but not usable by the production, that are the ones who are needed the most in order to make the right decision and to ensure business continuity. Our clients often highlight the quality of our tailored support. We spend time understanding the field in order to provide industrial and concrete expertise that leads to a close and effective relationship with our clients.